Hi, I'm Mike Creamer. I'm the owner of Matthews Gallery, and let me take you on a quick tour of the gallery. Okay, I'm very excited to introduce my new website. It's called Artisans, and it's a new way to order artwork. You can order artwork by artist, by subject, but you can also order it by size. So if you find a piece that you like, you can order it by size. So let me show you real quickly how easy it is. And it's just a couple of clicks, finding an artist, and then moving forward from there. We can see the selection of artists' works, and we see one we like. We can highlight that and see it in full size. There are some standard sizes that are available here, but you can also customize it to your own specifications, which is the unique thing about this site. So we simply go to this page, and then we type in this case we're typing in, we want it to be 40 inches high. So we've done that, and now we'll calculate that, and simply with a click, we now know that it'll be 53.5 inches wide by 40 inches tall, and the price for a canvas, which you can get canvas or paper, but the canvas would be $526. And then from there, I can also show you how we can custom frame it using my integrated framer, and we'll do that in just a second. Now I'm going to show you how that we can take that image that we found on the Artisan website, and I can show you what it's going to look like custom frame. And we do that with something we call Integrated Framer. It's a visualization program that allows us to show you how the piece is going to look with the frame that you choose. And let me show you how that works. So we bring the image that we selected, the Tuscan Hills by Max Hazlett, and we now have captured that. We're going to get a frame here that we have selected. It's a beautiful Larson jewel frame. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like on your piece of artwork. And there you have it. And that's exactly what it's going to look like, your piece is going to look like when it's finished and ready to go. The interesting thing that we can do is we can put a color behind this. So if you told me what color wall you had, I could actually put a color in there. And we simply go into Options, Set Wall Color, and if you had a beautiful dark green wall, that's what it looked like with a dark green behind it. And that's the great thing about this integrated framer. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I can frame a piece of your artwork using the integrated framer. We have a nice fine print here, and we've selected a couple of samples, a nice wood tone and a couple of mats, and we will be taking a photograph of the image, and from there we can then capture the frame, capture the matting, and from there we take it into the snapshot viewer. And from there, we can show it with a couple of options here. I've selected a V-groove with a 4-inch mat and 4.5 inches on the bottom. And from there, we can then take it in and compare that with a couple other things that I've done, where we've tried a couple of different angles. We have tried it with a different color on the inside, still with the V-groove, and then just a plain with nothing. And then what we can do is we can start to compare those with each other. We can have as many as 4 at a time up on the screen and start to decide which one we like the best. And we can go through them 2 at a time and compare and start to eliminate the ones that we don't want to use and come to the final decision. And it just makes the whole process so much easier because then you're able to visualize your finished artwork as it will look hanging on your wall. Talked a lot about technology, and now it's time to talk about the less technical part of the business, and that's the custom framing. All the technology is a nice help, but when it actually goes to putting the artwork together, it's something I have to do, and that's where my experience and the company's experience, which of course we've been in business since 1955, comes into play. We use nothing but the highest quality material in both the matting and the frames. We have a great selection of wonderful glass material, UV materials, museum glass, and all that comes into play to make a quality product that's going to last you for years and years. And this is the work area where we actually put the picture frames together. This is a pneumatic nail gun that shoots V-nails into the bottom of the frame. The Wizard mat cutter uses the computer-generated screen, and we actually design everything out. And then once we have it all ready to go, we simply hit it, and it cuts the mat. And you can see over here how we actually cut it. All of the technology that we have here, all of the great, wonderful things, the craftsmanship that I can provide for you. Let me come and let me show you what I can do for you in your house or at your office and I'll be happy to do a great job for you. I want to thank you for stopping by the gallery and taking a quick tour, and I hope to see you here real soon.
Matthews Gallery is located at the intersection of 434 and Montgomery, directly across from the Albertson Shopping Center. We are 1 mile west of I-4 on 434. Our hours of operation are Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5:30, and Saturday, 10 to 3. We're closed Sunday and Monday. Thank you.